had my boyfriend watch a YouTube video about how to thread eyebrows, and then we got thread and he tried to do it, but it did not work. So this was a lot better than that. Hey everyone, they have extended shelter in place for everyone. I still cannot get my eyebrows done and they're getting really, really bad. So I don't know if this technique is a thing or not, but I have not really done eyebrows before, so this is the only thing I could think of doing that might be a good way to just keep the shape of my brows nice, but then also do it myself. And those two things are going to be a little bit interesting. I came up with the idea of using tape, just regular old Scotch tape. I'm gonna apply it over my brow, leaving out the part that I want to remove, so that way I keep that line. I'm going to apply it to my eyebrow, just going over the part I want to keep. I'm taking a second piece and applying it over the last half of my eyebrow. Now I'm just going to go in and remove all the little hairs that are underneath. Doing your own eyebrows is so tedious. Like, I cannot wait to be able to just go in, get them threaded, and be out 5 minutes later. So I feel like I got this side pretty good, and I think it did help as a guide. And now I'm just going to remove the tape. Going down the hair, making sure not to pull anything off. Definitely looks better than this side now. Now I'm going to apply the tape to the second side. There's a little triangle piece here that I can see my hair is, and I'm just going to avoid it, but if you, depending on how much hair you have, you might want to go in and just put a little piece of tape over that, and then that will sort of round out this sharper edge so that you can get like a soft round shape. Now I'm going to go in and do the same thing on this side. And I'm pulling my skin taut before I pluck so that it doesn't hurt as much, because my eyebrows are really, really long right now. So I'm just pulling my skin taut kind of back, and then I'm going in and plucking the hairs out.
Ouch, it really hurts.
Oh yeah, by the way, this Band-Aid is because I cut myself chopping an onion yesterday, and I sliced my finger pretty bad. There was no way around this. This tweezing experience is going better than that. I like it. I think that worked pretty good. I didn't have to think too much about like how straight am I doing it, because the tape is such a perfect straight line. It really was like a good guide to use in order to make my eyebrows look straight. So I'm happy with this technique. I think if I have to, or in a pinch, I would do it again. Ultimately, my goal is to get my eyebrows done professionally, let them shape it, and then I can keep it updated and style it like every day. Maybe just take out the ones that are growing in, and then every 3 months go and get it done professionally. I like getting it done, but sometimes it's just like you don't have time in your day. So I'm just like thinking of different alternatives for that. Plus with COVID, who knows how consistent like the brow place is going to be able to go to. Worth a shot to see if it works for you. Let me know if you try it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hope your quarantine's going good, and I will see you next time.